If you need to reference sources in your document, an EndNote is a clean and professional way to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to insert an EndNote in Word step by step, so you can add citations properly without cluttering the main body of your text. This is a simple but very useful skill for essays, reports, research papers, and professional documents. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Word tips and software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your Word document and place your cursor exactly where you want the citation mark to appear. This is important because Word will insert the EndNote at that specific point in your text. Once your cursor is in the right spot, go up to the top menu and click the References tab. The References tab is where Word keeps all the tools for citations, footnotes, endnotes, and bibliographies. After you open References, look for the Insert EndNote button and click it. As soon as you do, Word will automatically place a superscript number in your document and create an EndNote area at the end of the file. That number links your text to the note section, so your reader can easily jump between the reference marker and the EndNote. Now you can type your source, explanation, or citation in the EndNote section Word has created for you. If you want to add another EndNote later, just repeat the same process. Place your cursor where you want the new citation, go back to References, and click Insert EndNote again. Word will keep numbering them automatically, which makes it much easier to stay organized as your document grows. If you're working on a longer paper, this is a great way to keep your main text readable while still giving proper credit to your sources. You can also use the same References menu to manage your notes if you need to review or revise them later. The best part is that once you understand this one simple workflow, you can use it in almost any academic or professional document. So to quickly recap, click where you want the citation mark, open References, select Insert EndNote, and then type your note at the end of the document. That's all there is to it. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more Word tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.